Decimals and percentages are ways to express parts of a whole. A decimal uses a point to separate the whole number from the fraction, like 0.5 is 0.5. A percentage is a way to express a number as parts out of 100, so 50% means 50 out of every 100 parts. A decimal represents a part of a whole. To convert a decimal to a percentage, multiply the decimal by 100. For example, 0.5 multiplied by 100 equals 50%. This means that 0.5 is the same as 50%. Here are some examples of converting decimals to percentages. 0.07 equals 7%. 0.45 is 45%. 3.5 equals 350%. And 4.09 is 409%. Multiply each decimal by 100 to get the percentage. To convert a percentage to a decimal, divide the percentage by 100 and remove the percent sign. For example, 25% divided by 100 is 0.25. 4.5% is 0.045. 125% is 1.25. 0.75% is 0.0075. To compare decimals and percentages, convert both numbers into decimals. When two numbers are in the same form, it is easier to see which one is larger. For example, 0.52 is less than 53.85% because 53.85% is equal to 0.5385 as a decimal. Solve word problems by changing decimals to percentages or percentages to decimals. Use multiplication or division to find answers. For example, if a bolt has a diameter of 3/5 of a foot, divide 3 by 5 to get 0.6 as a decimal. Then multiply by 100 to get 60%. If a school has 450 students and 0.6 of them are boys, multiply 0.6 by 450. This gives 270 boys in the school. Carol uses 45% of a gallon of paint. To write 45% as a fraction, place 45 over 100 and simplify to 9/20. To write it as a decimal, divide 45 by 100 to get 0.45.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.